Young Solo Traveler. This is Aya. Today the topic will be travel product to help you stay healthy on vacation. Yes, it's an article written by Caroline Moore-Steele of Smarter Travel. Cramp plane, tainted water, jet lag, and general exhaustion. Travel brings plenty of opportunity for you to get sick. You have waited all year for your vacation, so why ruin it with something preventable? Up your chance of staying healthy while traveling by packing these tiny travel products designed to help you feel great. Seat-seater, airplane seat cover, tray table cover, and face mask kit. It is no joke just how dirty and germ-infected planes are. One of the most contaminated area and the one most likely to touch your food is the tray table. Defend yourself with a seat-seater airplane seat cover, tray table cover, and a face mask kit. These machine washable super hygienic cover can easily slip on and off your seat in seconds. Hand sanitizer. You might not always have access to clean running water and soap, so always pack some travel size hand sanitizer. Use it before you eat, after using the airplane bathroom, or anywhere else you encounter germs. For the sake of the people around you on the plane, we recommend an unscented hand sanitizer. Sanitizing wipe. Hand sanitizer is great, but doesn't work as well when you need to clean a hard surface, like a tray table or the seat screen on a plane. In your hotel room, use an antibacterial wipe to clean the TV remote and the door handles. Individually wrap sanitizing wipe won't dry out and work on pretty much any surface. Saline nasal spray. Did you know that healthy travel offers start in your nose? An airplane cabin dessert like her can dry out the mucous membrane in your nose, which are essential in preventing illness. Keeping this delicate tissue hydrated with a saline nasal spray during long flight can help you fend off germ from the guy coughing behind you. AR is one travel size option worth considering. UBS humidifier. As another weapon against dry hair, pack this handy portable mini travel bottle cap hair humidifier so you can breathe in clean, moist hair no matter where you are staying. This is one of our favorite tiny travel products because you use your own water bottle with it, so you don't have to pack a bulky unit with any basic water, or empty soda bottle will do the work. Microfleet travel blanket. Airline blankets are not always washed in between flight, so who knows what kind of nasty germs you are snuggling up with. Rest easy under the world's best travel blanket, a 100% polyester fleece knit travel size blanket that is soft, cozy, and easy to clean. Flight ear plugs. For flyers who experience ear pain during takeoff and landing, ear plugs that help regulate pressure can be vital. Many travelers also find them helpful when driving through changing elevation in mountainous regions. Airplane and Flint are two popular brands. First aid kit. A small first aid stock with bandages, antiseptic wipe, and other medical necessities is always a wise thing to have on hand, particularly if you will be spending much of your vacation outdoor without easy access to a doctor. Water purifier. Headed to a place where there isn't potable water, it's still important to stay hydrated. Bring along the light straw water bottle and you will be able to turn any water into something drinkable. Think of the built-in filter that removes bacteria and parasites. It is not effective against viruses. If those are a concern, upgrade to the self-cleaning lock bottle. Another good option is the Grail, a reusable bottle that works a bit like a French press to remove viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and some chemical as you force water through it. Pill organizer. It can be tricky enough to track your medication schedule at home. Add jet lag, a different daily routine, and a new time zone, and having a pill organizer can literally be a lifesaver. Stop Senior need an easy dose offer travel-friendly pill cases that don't take up too much space. Sunscreen. Sunburn not only causes pain and unsightly skin, but can also contribute to heat exhaustion. Sunburn affects your body's ability to cool itself, according to the Mayo Clinic. That is why it is important to throw a bottle of sunblock into your bag, especially if you will be traveling in warmer climate. Insect repellent. Mosquitoes, ticks, and other creepy crawling can transmit nasty disease ranging from malaria to Zika. Traveling to an infected area, stock up on insect repellent to use during your trip, and consider treating your shoes and clothing with permethrin before you leave. 3M offer a travel-size insect repellent with it in a lotion or spray form. Portable toothbrush sanitizer. Sometimes you have to subject your toothbrush to less than ideal condition on the road. Using it in the airplane bathroom, for instance, or storing it in a dubiously clean hotel bathroom cup. Before you put it in your mouth, sanitize your toothbrush with a rechargeable toothbrush case, a portable case that uses UV light to kill the bacteria lurking on your toothbrush. Compression sucks. Got a long flight, drive, or train ride coming up? You could be putting yourself at risk for blood clots, which can occur anytime you are sitting still for long periods of times. Not only when you are at 30,000 feet. If such a clot spread to the lung, it could have life-threatening consequences. Compression sacks can help stimulate blood flow, reduce swelling, and prevent deep vein thrombosis. If you have certain medical condition, your doctor may recommend custom-fitted compression stocking. Cell phone sanitizer. Do you open the public bathroom door using a tissue to protect yourself from germs? You should actually be using one to save yourself from dirty cell phone. A study has found that most phones have more bacteria than a public bathroom door handle, and more than the toilet seat. Think about how many times you have snapped a picture of your meal with your phone and then dive into to eat without washing your hand in between. Gross. Keep your phone clean with Phone Soap Go, which sanitize and charge your phone at the same time. That's the end of it. Thank you so much for watching Silver Young Solo Traveler, and please do not forget to hit the red button below as well as the bell sign, so when I upload a new video it will notify you. Again, this is Aya. Bye bye.